Hey guys, it's Britt. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some Journey Together to open that I purchased from Five Below when they had them in stock. They haven't had them again since. But I have 5 packs here. Ooh, let's hope for something good, you guys. I'm so excited. We got some more Journey Together. This set has been awesome to open. It was one of the first ETBs I ever got. So, there's that. Growing up, we didn't have ETBs when it first came out, or at least maybe it's because we were poor. I just never knew about them. Anyways, so here's the code card, and I'm gonna guess electric. Dang it. Okay, and then let's go. Ooh, I see something. Ooh, ooh, a little whale lord. Yeah, whale lord. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, next pack, you guys. Let's go. I would even love the. I already have Miss. What is it? Lily's Clefairy, but I want the SIR. Okay, so code card. Then I'm gonna say water. Whatever. Okay. Oh, Mr. Mime. I do love that one. Reminds me of Violet. Come on. Ooh, ooh, come on. Ooh, a double. Yeah. Okay, I'll take it. 3 more packs, you guys. 3 more packs. Please give me something good for my binder, because it's what I need. Okay, code card and water energy. Dang it. Here we go. I already have that one. Most of these. Dang it. Nothing good in that one. That was, I mean, a couple reverse hollows. I'll still take them because you know I'm not about to turn down a card. Okay. Especially when I shelled out the coin. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to guess fire. Here's the code card. Oh, dang it. For a second, I thought it was fire, and then it wasn't. It wasn't. Okay, here we go. Oh, I do love that one. The Press, Nursery, Hooper, Wheezing. Ooh, I do love that Snorlax, though. Ooh, I love that. Okay. Ooh, no way. Iono's Bellable. Okay, I'll take it. You guys, last pack. Let's do some last pack voodoo here. Come on, Pokegods, give us what we want, what we need. What we need is that other Lily's Clefairy. Here we go. Here we go. We got the code card. And then I'm going to say water. You guys, it's just not it for me today. Or ever. Every once in a while. Okay, here we go. I feel like we just got a bunch of these cards. Durant. Oh, a little reverse hollow. Ooh, and then we got a Blaziken. I'll take it. Okay, okay, okay. You guys, that was it for the Journey Together Open. That was the 5 packs. How did it go so quick? You guys, wow. Okay. Well, until next time, bye guys.